If you're tired of importing passwords and usernames manually into websites and apps, you can use the Passwords app on your iPhone to store them and then have all the passwords auto-filled, which is pretty cool. So the first thing you want to do is pop into the settings, scroll down on the main settings page and go to General, then scroll down to Autofill and Passwords. You want to make sure that this is turned on, Autofill Passwords and Passkeys, and then beside the Passwords app, make sure that toggle is turned on, so that with the Passwords app, you can then autofill. Now, whenever you go to a website and you enter a username and password, the Passwords app is going to ask if you want to save that information, that login information, to the Passwords app. When you press yes, then the next time you go to that same website and go to log in, it's going to autofill, which is pretty cool. If you look up the Passwords app, you can even add login information manually, so you don't have to log into a website to do it. So if you tap on this little plus icon down here, you can choose to add a new password, give it a title, call it Facebook or what have you, give it the username, enter the password, and enter the website. And now when it detects that you're on this specific website and you're logging in, it's going to autofill that information, which makes your life a whole lot easier. And you probably want to know if your iPhone is tracking you and tracking your movements and tracking what you do and kind of invading your privacy. This video shows you all the ways that Apple tracks phones. So make sure you check that out next. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and then I'll see you on this one.